that bad, that my brother. I fed up can say, when you say yeah person, now you be. I don't dey fight for that idiot too. Now my parents are the fight for. You dey.
Hey, this family, they no go buy people for media. They no go buy people for media. Abba with a goat head, they no go buy person for media. This video, I just come across the video. Una know say Abba do one video yesterday when he come dey talk say he no need the brother support o, no be him dey support o, he no get hand get leg for inside o. Person wey slap am, he know as he wan take fight the whole thing o. He no send a goat head o. Na goat head come do this video. Don do many video. This one na the first video wey be say he first do. He say he no dey fight for Abba, say na because of his parents na he come out. My people, may una ask me, this slap wey dem slap Abba, so anybody talk about parents for inside? The answer is no. Nobody even go where the parents dey. Everybody was focused on Abba. Abba, why you no fit defend yourself? Abba, why you can't do like that? I dey greet you, I dey greet you. Nobody call parents for inside. Now this one jump come out. If una remember the video, I go even put this in video where it talk say na people even call and say why you dey do like that, why you dey do this one. When he come start to dey like, he say he wan come fight double chief. Una remember, my people, this family they no fit buy people. Abba don tell am say abeg make he waka go, he no need down for any corner. The shame and disgrace, the thing come enter his body. He come start to dey do video. He don dey fire his brother now. He don dey give am gbos gbas. No be small thing, now wow. This kind of people, God forbid bad thing to even near themselves, especially this one where you just dey for inside. Abba na because of say they go ring road. Like say you know they go ring road. Now you know anything where you see for politics, he go take am. He go take am. May I put the video for Namona and listen to wetin they talk? He say na because of your parents. Who call your parents for this one? Nobody call your parents. No come put am for Abba's head. We know say Abba no still good. But for this one, now you jump enter. Because of say you say you now, so you go carry a double priest now, a double chief now, so you go carry, and now so you go do this one now, so you get four OCC for inside house now, so you go give a toto now, so you go Jesus. Make I put the video for now, my people. Now bye bye. But I not forget, help me to love and like and share for me. This one I Mr. Bragado.
My people, how na day? I dey drive, I dey watch video. They say about they mention my name, they call my name. I beg, Mona share this video. I want drop a view small. But I know say I beg, make I quit your drive, read this place. Make I settle down, do this video. Make I settle down, do this video. Wait, my fair drive first. And they come. And I get message for Albert. At last, it dey on life, abi. I get message too for Albert. Okay. Wait, my fair drive first. This is gonna be my message to Albert today. Wait, make I find you a pack. Una see that Albert, that my brother. I fed up can say, when you say yeah person, now you be. I don't dey fight for that idiot too. Now my parents are the fight for. You dey feel me so? Cause that idiots they carry wahala, they come house. If to say I don't get papa, I don't get mama, it not concern me concern that boy. Oh. You dey feel me so? I bet make una share this video, make it see am. Una see that Albert. I hope una dey watch the video. Abi, Albert, I know they fight for you. Wait, man, if I go pack first. I know they fight for you. Even when I ever hear slap self, you know see video what I fed do. Now people come and tell me say, smart alpha, no, not be so, now not be so, now not be so, not be so. I know they fight for you. Now you they make mistake. When did they make me they talk for Facebook? I talk every day by day. Now because of my parents, when I leave for house, where you not get regard to, now me they fight for Facebook. If to say I don't get papa, I don't get mama, I not go they talk to you like that. And anything where they happen, I not go talk anything put. Because the way you take day, the way you they talk, people know say, this one are better than this one be. And the funniest thing where you they do, this is the problem. Thank God say you did live video. Wait, make a fair drive first. I hope everybody is watching your video. I hope you guys is watching about online. Let me say this again. Mona cut and go give her. Albert, I know they fight for you. Now my parents, when they threaten, they make me the fight. And you not get value of them. Now what make you the fight? If to say I don't get papa, get mama, anything where they happen now, I not will talk anything. Now waiting make an at the only talk. Albert, I know they fight for you. Regardless of whether you want to go court to go arrest anybody, now you know. Anything where you see for life, just they see and they go. You they feel me so? Now how to talk my matter, you know. Now how to talk, you see what he play some days ago. If to say I not get papa, I not get mama for Nigeria, Albert, I not go talk anything. Anything where they like, maybe that they do. I go do like this because many people they watch your video. Then they send and give me. If they love you, I hope una they see what this one they talk. And I want to play to a video. A grown man like you, now he slap you. Now smart obazen how to talk smart obazen matter you day. You don't feel me so? So now your video, people where they watch you now, they go relate for waiting at the talk. You they mention my name for live video. Now waiting may say make I on my own, make I respond to you. Right from time, I know that you are a stupid brothers, regardless of what. Regardless of people where even call me say, smart, no, I will very only. Even when I hear say they slap you, you don't see my video, and they eat food, and they laugh. You don't feel me so? I call they laugh. Because me no say, now the way you take day, now wetin make that guy slap you. Me no say you, now to talk for Facebook you day. If to say I don't get papa, I don't get mama for Edo State, my brother, I swear to God with my last blood, I not will talk anything, no. Because the Obaseki where they carry, they go. Me not like Obaseki. And I'm because of Obaseki, now that they insult my papa, every day by day. So if you feel say, I they fight for you, you they play. You don't feel me so? Thank God you they rap for Facebook. Thank God say that slap, that boy slap you. It was say now another thing do to you. I'm not sure whether you yourself go do video. As it is smart body, you go rap, you'll begin talk. You'll begin talk. Somebody say, Mr. Smart, I beg you, too smart to do Christmas 100, I beg. No, you worry yourself. You know, people so make una sell this message, me not go give up. And because of my parents, way about they give problem. Now they only talk. Even before this matter ever happen, I felt they make video say, come, this matter no concern you. Now my family, whether they insult, my mama, my papa, whether they insult for house, whether they threaten, then they pay me this side. Not be Abat, who be Abat. That one. He gonna say that my brother. I don't tell her say make it a fight from you. All those people go and sit down there and get house when you enter house. You don't already collect slap. You will be mugu. That guy never feel slap me. You don't know. He don't slap you. He don't slap you. Go and do your call before they go. You will be mugu. You will they give the problem for house. My brother go die. Me go die. Well, as why you woo. Now my matter you they talk for Facebook. Obaseki. Obaseki. Now he cause all this wahala. Now Obaseki, they insult my parents. I hope una go watch Abba's video. That my brother went to America. Abba, who be you? Man, I tell you something. No matter the threat, why you threat everybody. Anybody where they threaten for here, not the America. No but of a woman or human will fit do anything in America. I not wake up one day make a threaten somebody with the America. Or man go find the person, go house. No. I never do that kind of thing for America. Nobody are they fight for America. The people where they follow, they do saga. Now Europe the day. They go throw man give me, I will throw man give them. You know feel me? So now you don't know yourself. You know feel me? So now I hope una they watch in video. Now you the hero. Now what will make you collect that slap for that boy? As Abba matter be, I hope una watch the video. I beg una where they inbox me. They write me for my inbox, they fool. As soon as I park this car, I'm going to block you people from my WhatsApp. Straight. I go block una. I go make sure say una not go fit call me. As I park this car, una where they call me, they beg me, I go block all of una from my WhatsApp. You dey feel me so? I go block all of una from my WhatsApp. Now y'all that say, I don't get brother where be Maye, where be Mugu, where be say, he go come live with the current, but if something happen, a grown man like you come slap you, you don't retaliate. They talk about small number brother where the America. This go die. Me go kill yourself. You don't say you 2 years so. I know they fight for you. How about now my family? I they drive. I know if settle down do this thing. Now my family, my papa and mama way they put for trouble. Now they pay me inside. Now what make can and they talk. You don't feel me so? I beg, and they come back. I can't do this video well.